told technology and analyzing. Yes, yes, very good. Yes, then, yes, I need more answers. Yes, somebody told technology for analyzing. Yes, technology for analyzing. Yes, code is 525673. Yes, somebody told artificial intelligence. Yes, somebody told art and technology. Yes, so far I received 3 response from the respondents. Yeah. Yes, artificial intelligence, technology for analyzing, art and technology. Yes, I need more answer. Yes, all of you visit www.menti.com. Then use the code 525673. Yes, yes, I need more answer. Then only I can able to understand whether people are.
Dear students, go to the website and do this, no?
Yes, somebody told knowledge about business. Yes, yes, art and technology, knowledge about business, technology for analyzing, artificial intelligence. Yes, fifth one is sensitivity to opportunity. Yes, targeting needs and wants. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, visualization tool. Yes, visualization tool. Yes, I'm getting some technical terms. Visualization tool. Then yes, so far yes, somebody told doing business smartly. Yes, business intelligence tool help you to do business very smartly. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, last 2 minutes. Yes, last 2 minutes. Got only 8 response. Yes. Yes, anybody? Yes, smart artificial intelligence. Okay, 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 okay. Is anything else? Okay. Yes. My question is, what is business intelligence? Okay. Without knowing what is business intelligence, you cannot able to perform BI tools in the Power BI. Okay. Yes. Nowadays, implementing strategy is a very difficult task. Number two, identifying appropriate decision, that is also a very difficult task. Lots of companies they are struggling to take appropriate decisions, even they are very much struggling to implement appropriate strategy. That's why uh, lots of companies, lots of premier MNCs, INCs, they come up with BI tools, because out of BI tools we can take appropriate decision, even we can implement appropriate strategy. Yes, ultimately, if you are taking appropriate decision and implementing appropriate strategy in the sense, automatically it will leads to improve your business, or I would say you can gain lots of profit. Okay, this is the major motto of business intelligence. Yes, I would say the appropriate definition for business intelligence, it is a kind of, or I would say the strategy or technology used by the enterprise for the data analysis of business informations. The company is having lots of informations, lots of business informations in terms of customer, in terms of employee, in terms of existing customer, or in terms of loyal customer, in terms of new customer, or I would say the customer has 100% preference to buy a particular product. They are having plenty of information about their business. We need to analyze those data according to the company vision and mission, or I would say what company is expecting, what company is required a particular strategy, or what company is required to take a business decisions. Out of data only we can able to analyze. Okay, these are the various various I would say various introduction about business intelligence. Okay, then Power BI. Yes, Power BI, as I told you before, it's a product of Microsoft. In Microsoft, there are plenty of platforms like as I told you before, we have Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even we have MS Access. Likewise, Microsoft, they came up with new idea that is called as Microsoft Power BI. Okay, uh, let me going to demonstrate how to download and how to install Power BI in the desktop. Okay, this participant, all of you listen carefully. I'm going to so I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install Power BI. Okay, yes, all of you go to the Google. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, yes. In between, we will see what are the things we can do in the Power BI. Okay. Yes. With Power BI, there are lots of business intelligence tools are available. Okay, like data visualization. We can perform data visualization. Then we can do dashboard creation. We can prepare reports. Then we can prepare drill down, predictive analytics modeling, ETL, then OLAP. But today's session, I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare basic dashboard using data visualization technique. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, yes, we got Google. Yes, you in Google you type Power BI free download for Windows. Yes, once again I'm telling you, just go to the Google, type Power BI free download for Windows. Power BI, we have three different platforms. One is Power BI desktop, number two Power BI server, third one is Power BI mobile application. Here I'm going to download Power BI desktop. Power BI server is totally different. Power BI server is a paid one. uh, if you're connecting your server with the Power BI server, automatically you can prepare your dashboard. That is a different concept. But here we are going to perform the dashboard and data visualization techniques through Power BI desktop. Okay, just click download. Yes, you just go down. Yes, we have three things. As I told you before, now Power BI desktop, Power BI mobile, then Power BI server. Here we need to download Power BI desktop. You just click advanced download options. Yes, yes. Again, you go down, then you will get this particular window. You keep English as a language, then click download. Yes, in Power BI, they have Power BI desktop setup for 64-bit as well as for 32-bit. My computer is 64-bit, so I am choosing 64-bit. Then looking next. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. See, automatically we can download Power BI desktop. Yes, hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes. How we are installing regular software. Likewise, we need to install Power BI desktop. Yes, already I have installed Power BI desktop because I'm having another 45 minutes only. It will take time. So already I have installed Power BI desktop in my laptop. Yes, we will go to the Power BI directly. Okay. Yes. After installing, you will get this particular icon in your desktop, Power BI desktop. Okay, you just click this icon. Yes. This is how you need to install Power BI. Yes, participant, any doubt regarding downloading and installation of Power BI? Yes, any doubt? Yes, participants. Yes, participant. Yes.
No,
Any
sir.
doubt regarding? No.
No, it's easy. It's the you explained it.
Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. It is open. Yes. While opening Power BI desktop, hardly it will take a minimum 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let me wait. Yes. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, as I told you before, we are going to create basic dashboard through Power BI. Okay, let me discuss about one small case study. I'm having a small data of this particular case study. Through this case study, we will create one basic dashboard in the Power BI. Okay, this actually this is a small restaurant outlet which is located at near Chennai. They are having non-vegetarian as well as vegetarian menu. The mode of sales followed by this particular restaurant, number one is they are allowing the customer, they themselves, they directly come to the restaurant, they are purchasing the food, they are taking the food inside the dining hall of that particular restaurant. This is the number one mode of sales followed by this particular restaurant. Number two, customer, they
Hello. Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
your voice is okay.
I think the guest has got a connectivity issue. Probably got a connectivity issue. Jasim sir?
I think, ma'am, he's got disconnected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Dear participants, kindly request you to stay on. We'll get back to you. Sharmila, please keep checking, no? Sir might
Yes, ma'am.
probably, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Check.
Is the same Sharmila?
Yes, sir.
Sir is enter.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Jasim sir will join back shortly. He's got some technical issue. He's joining back. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. He's joining back shortly.
இல்ல இல்ல நான் வரல. நீ பண்றது சரியில்லை. காரை கொண்டு நிப்பாட்டு கம்பெனில. சரியா? நான் கிளம்பல.
Satyaprabha. Dr. Jusi Mohammed will join back. He's just trying to get back. He's confirmed. Sorry for the technical hitch. He'll be back. So, while we are waiting for the guests, I see some eminent participants over here. Probably Dr. Praveen or Dr. Kadiravan and Dr. Vinod. Sir, if you could just unmute and speak on the shift and the importance of technology and going digital. From your experience, it would be great, sir. Is joining shortly. So since we are speaking about going digital and serious, especially from business administration point of view, if you could unmute yourself and share your thoughts while sir is joining. As soon as he joins, we can resume. So it would be nice if you could share your thoughts. Or if anybody else wants to, deliberate on this and going digital during this time, for especially for business students. You're welcome to do. For the benefit of students, as we are waiting for Dr. Jassim Mohammed, I would like to give you some insights on this Power BI and why we selected the topic. So as Sir joins, he's just trying because he's got serious connectivity issue. So we'll wait for some time because he's just texted me saying that he'll join. So just to add on Power BI, what is this all about? I'll just give you some insights from what I know of the subject. So it's a collection of software service and apps and connectors, and mainly how is it relevant for people who are into business? It's because we are able to relate a lot of sources and data, and we are able to do an analysis and give a pakka insight for our for business. And you can use a very simple tool what we have, Microsoft tool like Excel spreadsheet, and then you can build some data warehouse with that. So it's very easy using Power BI. It's not at all complicated. We can easily connect to the data resource. We can visualize and discover what is important. And the most important thing why this Power BI is attractive is we can use our Windows desktop for that. And this is a service which is done by that. So since we are all using Microsoft, most of us are using Microsoft. This is a very powerful, very easy tool for us to analyze and then give the data. So we personalize and there is a personal touch to it using our and we need not be really technically oriented and trained or something like that. So with little insight and little familiarity and with little practice, we can use this Power BI platform for analyzing the data and presenting the data and making it more interactive and easy. So since most of you are millennials, this interactive, even your people in the organization will be a millennial, so they would like to actually see some your reports or your analysis of business or your perspective or planning in an interactive mode. And it's